In this video, we're going to look at how you can safely use a taper to change your own jewellery. Tapers are simply thinner at one end than the other and have a connection pin. You pop your labret post onto the end of the connection pin, and using the thinner end, slide that through your piercing to insert the jewellery, as shown here. Once inserted, remove the taper, grab your attachment and firmly pop your attachment onto the front of your post. Tapers can be used to remove longer jewellery and to change them over to shorter pieces as well. You simply remove the front, pop your taper on the front, pushing the old labret post out but leaving the taper in place. You would then simply pop your downsized post onto the taper, pushing it out of the piercing, and again making sure that attachment is popped on the front nice and securely. I hope this has helped.